Everybody, Welton Hong over here. Today I want to ask you a question. What happens when someone actually lands on your website? They made it through Google search results, AI snippets, social media, local listings. Finally, they are on your turf. That's your moment of control. But what happens next could either win the sell, the call, or lose it. And too often, businesses blow it. Let me walk you through six specific things that your website absolutely needs if you want it to convert more visitors into paying customers or phone call, right? Most of you want a phone call, a inquiry assessment. So first of all, you need a very, very clear USP in your, right, on almost every page. So too many sites bury their unique selling proposition, which is basically how are you different on homepage. But people don't always land there. They come in through the service page, maybe a blog post, or even your contact page. If right, you're it's not on all pages somewhere, instantly they tell, right, they don't know how you're different. They probably have to go on the About Us page or go on homepage to see everything. So my suggestion is to make sure, obviously, the homepage and the About Us page really got to talk about how you are different, your unique selling proposition. But ideally, it should be on most of the pages. Second is you got to have a very, very clear, consistent location info. Never assume, really, it's never assume Google knows where you are. Never assume customers can figure it out. Every key page should tell people where your business is located. City name, address, zip codes, right? And don't fake it, right? Don't pretend to have a location somewhere you don't have just to grab SEO traffic. It actually hurts trust. Third is you got to define a service area. This one's big for service businesses, right? Most of you are service-based businesses. Let people know, right, where you do and where you don't go, right? Really spell it out in text, right? Or show it with a custom map, like where do you go, right? Where do you serve or where do families come from? Otherwise, you make them call to ask, and some of them won't bother. Okay. Number four, this is a little bit tricky part, but a little bit more on the pricing transparency, right? Is you can definitely start with a range, right? You don't need to give a exact number, but give it a range. If you're worried about sticker shock, remember this. People are more likely to trust and contact businesses that are upfront about cost. No one wants to waste time calling just to find out you're out of your budget, right? And I am always proponent of not being the cheapest in town, right? Ideally, you're actually charging more than others where you have a little higher margin because your quality of service is better. And you're going to be attracting those clientele that want that premium treatment. Number five is business hours and after hours support. Put your hours everywhere, homepage, contact us page, about us page, right? And right, bonus points for those of you who do list holiday schedules or after hours support. If someone's dealing with right some issues, obviously for those of you who are funeral home, it's 24/7 or for home care, for example, evening, right? They want to know whether you're open or not. Number six, it's kind of interesting. Offer gift cards if you can. Again, for some industries you can, some you cannot. Right? This one's a missed opportunity for those of you who are more like trades. If gift cards are too much of a hassle due to regulations or anything, they can swing it, right? Because this is really right. If you have some type of offer or anything, um, it does attract them to call you. Okay. So again, having any type of incentive, again, right, it really depends on some industries. Obviously, for death care, it's hard. But for some industries like home care, home improvement, definitely having some type of promotion, gift cards, coupons, that really does help you with that extra conversion. Okay. So final thought here, your website isn't just a digital brochure anymore. It's your most powerful sales rep, right? It really is one of your most powerful sales rep. Every detail you include or forget to, that's really the difference between gaining a phone call or losing a phone call. If you're not sure about whether your site is helping or hurting your conversions, feel free to reach out to me. Happy to update your website for you. Talk to you later. Bye bye.